which is the scissor, hair clip and beard trimmer only. And this is the way you can spend a more romantic time with your man at your home by cutting his hair.
And risking your man's look always.
It's just a joke apart. Let's get started without wasting our time and let's move into it. About the hairs, like we are going to cut this hair in the 4 parts. One is the top part, which is the crown area, and the other is 2 sides and 1 back. So first of all, we have to cut the hairs with the side, other side and the back. So we need to clip all the hairs from the top. So now we first comb the hair. We will take the partings from the side. And we will clip the hair. For the speed, it's 1 to 10, where the 10 is showing the longest length of the hair, or if you are setting it to the minimum number 1, it will cut your hair to the shortest length. So now let's get started with the trimmer to cut this side of the hair. So now we have cut this side hairs and this big hairs. You can see it. He needs really short hair, so we have done it as he needed. And now we're gonna cut this upper area. For this upper area, we will go with the parallel partings. And we will start with the back. Like this way. We will take 1 inch strip from his hair and then we will make the parting into 2. Now for the length, you should make the measurement with your finger. Like you will take the hair in your fingers. Now here we are taking the 3 fingers measurement. So we will keep the length of the 3 fingers measurement and then we will cut it from the upper side. Same as now we take the other part and we will take the guideline from the other cut hair. So here is our guideline and we need to cut this hair into this line. So repeat the same thing. We have the guideline over here. It is done. With the same method, we will go further. All the upper hair, but we need to verify that all the hair's length is over same. So we're gonna check it like this way. First of all, we have taken the part on the horizontal way, so now we will take the part on the vertical way. So we will take all this hair together and we will see the length should be ideally same. If there is something difference in the length, you can just go through it and cut it out. Here you can see there is a little bit difference.